In this video, we will learn how to create point data in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Mainly, we will learn two most important methods to create point data. So first is to import point data from a point file. So let's say you have received a point file from the surveyor and you want to use that file to create your points data in AutoCAD Civil 3D. So for that, go to the Prospector tab in Tool Space, and on these points simply right click and select Create. Now in this window you can see there are multiple tools that we can use to create our points data. So this one, the last option, Import Points, is the tool that we are going to use to import points from the point file. So before we proceed, let's look into what exactly a point file is. So here I have a sample point file. This column, basically it is point number, easting, northing, point elevation and point description. In abbreviation we call it as PENZD file format. So we simply need to click this import points button, and in this dialog box we need to enter some information. First we need to specify the file format, as I have just shown you that our file is in the form of PENZD, point number, elevation, easting, northing, Z means elevation and D description, and this is comma delimited because our file format is CSV, which is comma delimited. We will select this file format and click this plus sign to add the file. Go to the specified folder where you have saved the survey data or your point file. In my case its name is survey data. I will simply select this file, and this green tick means we have successfully loaded our desired file. So we need to scroll down to ensure that our file format is correct. So here you can preview it: point number, easting, northing, point elevation and point description. Simply click OK, and our point data has been created. We need to enter zoom, extend, and this is our point data that we have created. So here you can see these red crosses, these are basically our points. You can see point number, its description and elevation. So this is how you import points data in AutoCAD Civil 3D using a point file. We have created our points using the Prospector tab. You can do the same by going to the Create Ground Data panel and click on this points and select this point creation tool option in the drop down menu, and you will see that the same ribbon has been opened, and we simply need to repeat our process. So either you can import your files from this Prospector tab, or you can use this Create Ground Data panel. Both performs the same function. Now the second thing, or second method that we need to learn, is to add point data manually. So let's say I have to create a pad over here. I will select the rectangle command, and let's say this is my pad. So I need to know what would be the levels of these four corners. In fact, I know what are the elevations, and I will enter those elevations manually. For that, I need to go to points and click on Create, and in the first tool you can see miscellaneous manual. In the drop down menu you can see there are several options but our main focus is on manual command. So main command is miscellaneous and the sub command is manual. Now it asks for please specify a location for the new point. So I will simply click on this corner, and now it asks for enter a point description. I will write pad 1. Click enter. Now it asks for specify a point elevation. Let's assume that the elevation is 1550. Click enter, and here you can see that we have successfully added our point manually. Now it asks if you need to enter another point. Yes, we need to enter. Select the second corner. Again, you need to enter the name. I'm giving it pad 2. Click enter, and now you need to specify point elevation. I'm writing it as 1551. Okay. Similarly, you can do this for the other points as well. No matter how many points you need to do, you simply, if you want to add a point somewhere here, simply click at that point, give it a description, point pad 4 and an elevation 1553. So this is how you add your point data manually in AutoCAD Civil 3D.